So here is the practice exercise related to this module. You need to make a drawing template with the following settings. So the length type should be architectural, the precision is 1/2 inch, and the insertion scale is inches. After making the template, save it on the desktop as well. So I'll start with this new button. It will start with the default template. It doesn't matter what template it is using because we are going to be making changes here. So now type UN, short for unit, press enter. The first setting here is architectural, that we'll change. Second is precision, that's 1/2 inch, and the insertion scale is already set to inches. Well, these are the all changes which we need to make, and then click OK. So we have made the changes. Now we just need to save this file as a template. To do that, go to application button, go to save as drawing template. Specify a location. Right now it will take you to the default folder location, which is deep inside installation directory, but I want desktop. So I'll select desktop. I'll give it a name. Let's call it sample. And now you can see it is saving it with DWT format, which is the drawing template format. Click on save, add a description if you want to, or just click OK. And we have our template saved with the required setting.